What's up guys, Piyush here, and today we're going to be unboxing a Premium Ultrabook from Dell, so let's get started. The laptop I have is the 2020 Dell XPS 17. It has a 10th gen Intel Core i7, 32GB of RAM, a 1TB SSD, an NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti, and a 17-inch 4K Ultra HD display. So the box the laptop ships with is pretty minimal. It just has a Dell logo on a plain black background. Nothing flashy, which I personally like. The box is covered with tape on the top, which can be easily cut with a knife. Then we can open the cardboard flaps to reveal a smaller box within the main cardboard box. Pulling this out, you can see that this one is a lot more premium looking than the outer cardboard box. It's covered with a plastic sheet, so we can use that small pull tab to quickly remove that. Right off the bat, you can definitely tell that Dell has put in some effort into the unboxing experience, which makes the thousands of dollars you spent on the laptop seem a bit more worth it. On top of the sleek black box, you can see the Dell logo in a faint gray color. One nice touch is that the lid is magnetic on the box, which is pretty cool, adding more to the great unboxing experience so far. When you open the box, you're instantly greeted with a silver XPS logo on the top of the lid, and right below that you get the laptop itself. You can use the pull tab provided on the bottom of the box to pull the laptop out of the packaging. We'll put that to the side to see what else is included. Other than the laptop, we get a couple of other accessories and guides. The first is a small black packet, which like the other things, has a nice premium feel. On the back of that, you get a small tab to open up the packet. And inside you get all the paperwork. This includes the startup guide, regulatory information, and warranty information. Continuing on the black color scheme, we get the wall outlet cable, which connects to the power brick. This is a pretty sturdy cable, so I don't think you'll have to worry about this wearing down over time. The next item is the power brick. Even though this is a 120 watt power brick, it's still decently small for its power output. For reference, the 16-inch MacBook Pro comes with a 96 watt power brick, so this is plenty fast. On top of this, the cable is USB-C, which is always a great thing if you have other devices in your house that support it. USB-C is being widely adopted in other tech products, so it's nice to see that it's also on the Dell laptop as well. Lastly, in the box you get an adapter. As I said, this laptop has USB-C ports, so if you happen to have any older accessories such as an external SSD, you can still use it with the provided adapter. The adapter includes a USB-C to USB-A and HDMI ports, so you can still connect this to any TV or monitor you like. Also, kudos to Dell for including this in the box. If you're going to take away other older ports such as USB-A or HDMI and replace that with USB-C, then you should definitely add that functionality back for people who just haven't fully switched over to USB-C. The thing I really appreciate is that this packaging is made out of 100% recycled plastics, and it's completely recyclable itself, so it's great of Dell to make such a great unboxing experience while keeping everything so eco-friendly. Okay, enough of that, onto the main attraction, the laptop, which is also covered in some plastic, which we can take off by using the handy pull tab at the bottom. And there it is, the Dell XPS 17. You can see the nice silver finish as well as the shiny Dell logo on the top. I can say for sure, the look definitely matches the price tag. As soon as I opened the laptop for the first time, I realized how good it looked. The black color scheme was definitely a great choice, as well as the carbon fiber-esque pattern. The keyboard is pretty nice with decent depth and backlighting on it. However, it's not a full-size keyboard, so you will have to use the numbers above the letters for typing. The trackpad is also nice and makes great use of the available space. Like the other things, it's great and it reminds me of the excellent trackpads found on Macs, so it's pretty nice to see it here on a Dell laptop as well. The Dell XPS 17 does have a fingerprint sensor on the power button, and it also supports Windows Hello with the camera and sensors above the display. As I said earlier, the laptop has a 10th gen Intel Core i7 to power through everything you need to do on it. On the left side of the laptop you have two USB-C ports as well as a Kensington security lock, which you really don't have to worry about. And on the right side you have two more USB-C ports, an SD card reader, and a headphone jack. All four USB-C ports on the laptop can be used to charge the laptop up. I've always appreciated the super slim bezels on the XPS series, and this year they made them even better by cutting off the large bezel on the bottom of the display. The display itself is kept shut with magnets that fall into place in a very satisfying way. So that's it for the unboxing of the 2020 Dell XPS 17. It's a great experience that provides to be a very good first impression of the laptop. If you like this video, then make sure to like, share, and obviously subscribe. I will be releasing more content over this laptop soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.